So when you ride the new Yamaha MT-09, yeah, and there's basically a wet road everywhere, gotta get a kettle from the hotel room, yeah, pour it on a bike, and you'll see why in a second, yeah? The bike could not be dirtier. I present to you the magnificent MT-09 mudguard right here. Look at this mudguard, man. What a joke, see that, man? Get your hand on it, bruv. It's got, well, this is just not really working very well, is it? Yeah, that. Raw. Like that. Get on the seat, the main bit. Yeah. Gotta like massage it on, you know what I'm saying? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the motorcycle helmetless motovlog. As you guys probably know by now, I had my brother, I had my cousins come out to Thailand, and I'm showing them the loop, and there's no MT-09 today, just a Honda Wave. You guys got me beat on the hills, I'm not gonna lie.
They're hard to get on the hills, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but then the hill comes and I'm like, nah.
Full throttle doesn't take much.
Nah, it's got no power on the hills.
Flat out on the steep bits.
But when there's like a little loop, like 80 going around, like it's nice. It's
Yeah,
nice.
this thing just goes into vibrations, that's it.
Yeah.
Harry. 360 helmetless motovlog right here. The motovlog
Oh, did you put
without
it
the
in
helmet.
basket?
I'm going along like it's like, yo, I'm catching up to my friends, but I'm not actually catching up. The bike is so slow.
I have to full throttle out those hills, man.
Right, I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know if you can or not. We've been driving for hours and we're like 3/4 of the way. Yang mấy thằng mê rim. Chả biết nào. Little KTM Duke 200. Wow. Keep going, man. Hopefully we don't run out of petrol. Hello, where are you going? That way, man. Wait, let's go. hating on no helmet, okay? add this into the video at the end because that GoPro finished. Alright guys, so this is on the phone. The quality is probably really bad, but hopefully the quality is okay. On the iPhone 6s, whatever. Come to the Simone viewpoint. Bikes are over there. That's the end of the helmetless motor vlog. I gotta be the first person that's ever done that, surely. Don't forget to subscribe, Little Duke 200. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Motorman out.